There was a question on the community about creation of an epic custom issue. Now this question was all about creating a custom issue type that can behave like an epic. Well, that is not really possible in Jira software. Epic issue type is a little bit special. When you are working with Jira software, you have the epics listed on the left hand side, and especially when working with Jira software, there is some kind of hierarchy like epics, story, and subtask. So this hierarchy is there, and if you want to have, let us say, your own custom hierarchy, you can always use portfolio. Maybe you can define your own hierarchy above this existing hierarchy of epic, story, and subtask, or maybe at the same level. But if you want to have your own issue type that will behave exactly like an epic, that is not really possible in Jira. There are some other apps that can help you in creating hierarchies. Apps like Structure. Structure is really good. You can use it to visualize the relationship between issues. And I have made videos on Structure in the past. You can learn how to make your own custom hierarchy based on these existing links, or maybe you want to have, maybe let us say, your custom link that you can create to define the relationship. But when it comes to the default hierarchy, unless you are using an app like Portfolio, or I should say advanced roadmaps, that is not really possible. So this is all I wanted to share in this video. And the reason is many people ask this question quite a lot on the community, and they also send me a message. But I thought I'll clarify and create a video on this topic to answer your questions. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much.